Hi, I have sciatica pain and have watched many videos on how to get relief. Okay, but this is the stretching exercise that is so easy. That is what I think is the best relief for sciatica. This is how it's done. Okay, your sciatica is assuming that your pain is on the right leg, so you just do this. That okay, feet together. You put your right feet on the right side and then stretch it like that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then back. Return. Okay? Do it as often as you want until you achieve relief, but 3 sets is enough for me. 3 sets is enough for me to relieve my severe sciatica on the right leg. Thank you.